All right. So this is 10f. Now, this has a 10f of 10e. I won't sketch the graph, but what the graph has is the x-intercepts at -1 and 4. And it doesn't have the turning point. The turning point is not on one of the lines, so it's not a whole number. What it does have is, well, at least one point we can see that's not the x-intercepts. So we have the y-intercept, and that's at -4. Now, we can use this. I know the question says use trial and error, but because we've talked about turning point form and we've done factorization of quadratics, and we know how to write a quadratic that has solutions for x of -1 and 4. So when y is 0, and that's what the x-intercept means, y is 0, that's when the line intercepts the x-axis at -1, so that means x plus 1 and 4, x take 4. All right, I'm sorry, let me just move that over. So this equation, y equals x plus 1, x take 4, when y is 0, x must be -1 and x must be 4. So the intercepts work. But does this equation, like if we make this the equation, y equals x plus 1, x take 4, give us the intercept at -4? Well, let's substitute x as 0, because that's when y is intercepted. All right, so we have x here, we have y here. When we intercept the y-axis, x is at 0. When we intercept the x-axis, y is at 0. All right, so this is why we solve quadratics and make the y 0 and use the null factor law. And when we are finding the y-intercept, we'll just make x 0. So let's do it here. 0 plus 1 and 0 take 4. 0 plus 1 is 1 times 0 take 4 is -4. 1 times -4 equals -4. Now that is the y-intercept. So this will be the equation of the line.